Before we begin, Igbo mulonza mozo. Imane ha no kita bụ operation onye na-kwetara ekwetele ya. Operation ndị gagalicha ha ya ekwe. This woman na for video yes onye abụ one of the radical people mgbe ahụ. Mago radical onwe mana onwe hukwu na this video like ọ sị na onye fụ onye kia. Imago na ị na-eme ihe fụ onye ka gị. You are bound by the law of nature and by the law governing this earth to appreciate and celebrate that no hobby are coming in Zion today. Na no gotaro mgba ndị Igbo ya na-agba Ebuka Obi. This why the fan Ebuka Obi no kedafia no Dublin Island, yes, son of dear. So the woman wears Zolo Katagwe bia na Zion. Also can a lot of people recognize that. Man, only the woman who that I want us to understand. I need Ndigbo. You know, only one thing I will be Ndigbo when I am an average Igbo person with pride. An average Igbo person with pride, yes, an average Igbo person want to lead but doesn't want to be led. An average Igbo man cholkona oboli angono nisi. Chelen doors on aga. Man or choro ko biabulun doors and hachi aga. That is one just like an average Igbo person. Otaku Igbo sula se na Ndigbo ni an average, which means some. My pride. Man, that is pride I'd be head yaye Ndigbo na chi. So man, that pride but as Bazian some of us ni sibogota in our brain. Some of us abuluzies on agwanam. Some of us is sort of in our ignorance to accept the fact and okay, no nya jide baton now. Kai celebrate ya se kalai katama ye celebrate ya do to yana. Katama ye celebrate onye kage o onye mano na emofuma achoba we asi do to yana. Mbolo ka EFCC mego biko bana arrest. Mbolo ka mego Kubana chief police arrest. Mbolo ka emel money arrest. All the sensible Ndigbo. For you as an for you as an Igbo man in this country, Nigeria, you are already an enemy. For being an Igbo man already, Igbo enemy of the state. Then why can't we all join hands together to build our own? People were celebrating and welcoming him. People gathered to celebrate what God is doing through him in the life of people. Man, I wonder na ya dotu ya on eme arrange on eme nka o arrange kpota ndị ọcha ndị isi ojii no dia o arrange ka jerieze na eme we na push up stadium and eju in everywhere. Una have chief na Bible say and wherever he went the crowd and multitude followed him, and which is one of the signs that truly means that he was called. Wherever he goes, Obolo in a marriage, you may be a German from Maridia. Oh, boy, you can't see anybody because now all we are conquered that territory. To one Nagunu Malo, some of the signs and that in Jiaga, Ndigbo fake Jiaga. Nagota, or he may arrange in Nigeria, will be marriage. In every location, in a marriage, it's expensive to be fake. Very, very expensive. So na nehe one na one na Zion ko jeje me. Imenesha ti commenting in the comment section. Ko de kwan.
Children of God, guess where I am? Guess where I am? I'm in Zion premises. When you see your fellow child of God doing something, support them. The God that do it for them will remember you. I am in Zion ministry, my dear. Not just going to Zion ministry. I enter there and pray. I pray. I told the God of Zion that he should bless me. He should remember me the way he remembered Ebuka Obi. that he should not mind that I'm a woman, no. That he should do it for me. I enter inside here. My dear, that place is filled with people. You see that your scandal could not bring it down. Your scandal cannot shake it. When I reach here, I started finding a lot of things out. The lost choosing is our brother. Ebukobi is our brother. They are from the same Imo state. But I know they see peace there. I begin to ask, is this how Hausa people do? Can't you see Yoruba people? They see Oyedepo, Redeemed Christian Church. They pay tithes to each other. They love themselves. Why is it our own Igbo people, instead of us to support our brothers or sisters, we will be waging war against them? Okay, look at our brother Matthias Ezako. He came out from adoration. Instead of him to be humble, despite he say he's a tradition, I know Mbaka will bless his life. But instead, he is collecting money from Igbo people, fighting Ebukobi, fighting Mbaka. And today, they have done a terrible juju just for Christians to be fighting themselves. You see how this person is fighting Mbaka, this person is fighting Ebuka, this person is fighting this. Are you okay? My dear, I like good things. I want the God of Zion to remember me. He should not look at me as a woman. I am ready to sacrifice anything to make sure the God of Zion remembers me. You know, I'm in Zion. I entered there to pray. I'm on Igboland and Zion premises. My dear, okay. Remedy pomga ebanho. So ma be inside Zion. My dear, Chuku gozire Ebukobi oburo mfoi nkwo ya Bible mefu. God really blessed Ebukobi. You are fighting in vain. I entered there, I cover my face like this so that they will not know it's me. Some people still recognize me. Nsa from onye arokala muna Chuku. My dear, if onye kage for now, emelara yanyo for. One day, Chineke ga-eme Ebukobi eburu mamuma. O we ko buchakwara m oyere ndomaka. Oyere ndomaka na m nidire ye maka. One day kwa we make ifru ụzọ ndaba na adoration mbaka. Oyere ndomaka. Ndaba kwa ebe, you see, some ministers otu ha sheyere ndị mmadụ aka. Support people's ministry. Nani ndị Igbo na-ebu ụmụnne ha agha. Even abatara m na agọ ma ahụ ihe ne Chineke si ndị Igbo laruta ụlọ ha ajụ because ndị Igbo arụọla paradise na agọ. Anọ m na Zion. Ahụgo ministry Ebukobi lee o wee choose nwa ụlọ adị ebe this White House ya na nwanne ya nwoke ofu Imo State Ebukobi, they are not in good time. Ogba aghara and onye na-ebusa agha ọchọdịghị mma nwanne gị ka ịbụ I were iro. Do you think we can enter heaven with this hatred? God will not accept us in his kingdom because we might even enter there and go and tell Angel Michael to start keeping malice with Angel Ure. Ogba aghara dị n'eluigwe. My dear, Zion is really flying. They are not moving, they are flying. Zion is really flying. One day, the above all powers ministry will fly like Zion. I'm telling you. Oh, Chuku Zion biko chetanum. I'm in Ozana Estate. Ozana Estate. My dear, I need help.